Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Twitter or X if it's not showing the show button or if it's not working, okay? So first up, go and find the X app. Okay, as you can see here, I'm using Android, but if you're using iOS, just go ahead over to the settings app. Okay, now go ahead and find the app section and find X, okay? Once you've found it, tap on it and just tap on offload data or offload app. Now for Android, tap and hold on the app icon. Now go to the top right and tap on the information icon. Now in here, just go ahead and find the storage section, which is right here. Tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on clear cache first. And then once done, tap on clear data. Okay. Once that's done, go ahead and launch the X app and it will ask you to log in. Just go ahead and log in. And once that's done, you should be good to go. Okay. If that still won't work, well, for both iOS and Android, tap and hold on the app icon and just tap on uninstall. And for iOS, tap on delete. Okay. Once it's uninstalled, go ahead and find your Play Store or App Store. Just tap on it. Now find the search and the search bar. And here, just type down X and then hit on enter. And in here, just tap on install. And after that, the Twitter or X show button should work now. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.